Hello, English 1 pre-AP students. This short video is to just kind of introduce our class and help you see what this class is about. You know, when I went to high school and I started my freshman year, there was nothing more terrifying to me than my English class. I walked into the class and I saw the teacher kind of sitting back in the desk, and it was intimidating. I remember thinking to myself, what are we going to do in this class? Are the tests going to be hard? Is it going to be one of those classes where I have to remember everything on the test and feel foolish because I can't remember? Is it going to be a class where it's really hard to read through things? And by the way, I really have a hard time finishing books sometimes because they're not interesting to me. These are all things that were going through my head. So I want to talk about three things that I want you to have when you leave this class. The first thing that I want you to be able to do is to read for greater meaning, and or to read for deeper meaning. That when you read, that you can understand at a deeper level that you could than when you started our class. That's really where we want to move you, is to deeper reading. We're going to do a lot of things in class to make that happen this year, or help that happen for you. The second thing I want you to be able to do, and that is to write to be heard. You know, there's general writing, just being able to write, and hopefully you have gotten to that point at this time. Maybe you can write a sentence. Maybe you know how to put together some essays even, which is a good thing. We're going to cover that. But to write to be heard, to become an exceptional writer, a good writer. And I want to help you this year to show you the moves that make for a better writer. The third thing I want you to be able to do is to be able to communicate with clarity. Even though we're doing a lot of our class online this year, there's still ways that we communicate clearly. And that is so important, that we communicate clearly. So those are our three goals. And basically, those will help you along your way so that you can engage in college level coursework. And that'll generally start your junior year. You may be going and taking an AP class your junior year. You may take a class over at the college. But I'm going to try to help you read deeper, to be able to write to be heard, and communicate with clarity. And those three things are going to carry with you no matter what pursuit you have in the future. Some books we're going to read in our class, though. Let's put those up here. You're going to learn a little bit more about this today, but some books. So we're going to read Great Expectations starting the second semester. This this semester, we're going to read I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Next semester, we will read some from Romeo and Juliet. We'll actually watch this too. To Kill a Mockingbird. Here's another classic book that's wonderful. And then we're going to read some selections from mythology. There's some other things we're going to read and do in our class as well. And you're even going to pick some books that aren't on this list that you want to read, that you want to join in with a book club through. So there's lots of things happening. I'm excited about your growth this year, and I look forward to learning alongside of you.